Does Chinese grammar feel confusing? The good news is, it's actually simpler than you think. No verb changes, no plurals, no tricky gender rules. Hi, I'm Jerry. Over the past 6 years, I have helped learners from all over the world start speaking with just the basic HSK1 words. In this video, I will show you how to use about 150 words to build real sentence step by step. And by the end of this video, you will go from confused to confidence, making complete sentence that native speakers actually use. I will also share a simple sentence builder you can try right away to start speaking from day one. Now, most Chinese grammar guys make things feel harder than they really are. They explain rules but rarely show you how to use them in real conversation. I'm going to show you the 3-formula system that turns HSK1 vocabulary into actual sentence you can speak today. Plus, I will reveal the #1 mistake that makes beginners sound robotic and the simple fix that makes you sound natural instantly. Stick around for the sentence challenge at the end. It's going to blow your mind how quickly it sticks. Okay, let's start with Chinese sentence structure. It's going to shock you how logic it is. Formula 1. Subject, verb, object. Just like English. 我学中文. I study Chinese. But here's the beauty. Chinese is consistent. No I am, you are, he is nonsense. It's always the same verb form. Now, let's build a sentence together. 我喝水. I drink water. 他吃饭. He eats rice. 他看书. She reads books. It's your turn right now. Pause this video and try. I eat apples using 我吃苹果. Say it out loud. See how simple that was? You just made your first sentence using HSK1 vocabulary. But wait until you see how we turn this into questions. So formula 2, statement plus ma. It's a yes or no question. This is genius level simplicity. Take any statements, ma at the end. Boom, you have the question. So watch this transformation. 你喝水. You drink water. 你喝水吗? Do you drink water? And here are more examples. 他是老师吗? Is he a teacher? 这是你的书吗? Is this your book? And here is the formula 2B, the WH questions. Just replace the unknown part with a question word. For example, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? 厕所在哪儿? Where's the bathroom? So here's the practice moment. How would you say, what do you eat? Think about it. 你吃什么? Perfect. But there's where most learners messed up. They forget about the. Let me show you why these little words is a game changer. So formula 3, possessions and description with the. Think of the as a Swiss Army knife of Chinese grammar. It does everything. So for possessions, 我的书, my book. 老师的车, teacher's car. And for descriptions, 很好的朋友, very good friend. 红色的苹果, red apples. And here's the secret rules that most textbooks skipped. When the adjective is the main description, you often dropped the. 我很高兴. I'm very happy. 他很忙. He's very busy. Now here's the quick pattern recognition. With the describing a noun, 好的老师, good teacher. Without the describing the subject, 老师很好, teacher is very good. So here's the challenge time. How do you say, my Chinese is very good? Try it. 我的中文很好. You are getting this. But now let me show you the mistakes that makes beginners sound like robots. This is where Chinese grammar for beginners gets real. I see the same mistake every time. And they instantly mark you as a beginner. So mistake 1, English word order. 我吃早饭8点. I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock. That's wrong. The right way is 我8点吃早饭. The rule is who plus when plus where plus action plus what. Mistake 2. Forgetting 很 with adjectives. In Chinese grammar, adjectives used as a predicts typically need degree adverbs, while native speakers sometimes omit them in a casual speech. For the beginners, adding 很 makes your Chinese sounds more complete and natural. For example, 我高兴. You should say 我很高兴. I'm happy. And mistake 3. Overusing 的. For example, 我喜欢的看的书. That's wrong. Too many 的. The right way is 我喜欢看书. I like reading books. Now, let me give you a confidence booster. Native speakers make these mistakes too when they are tired. The key is recognizing the pattern, not perfection. The best way to lock this in is practice, saying a sentence out loud, getting feedback, and adjusting little by little. That's exactly what our learners do together every week, and it makes progress feel much faster and much more fun. Let me show you how to try yourself in the next part. Now, let's lock in what you have learned today. The 3 HSK1 grammar formula. SVO structure. 我吃苹果. Simple statement. The question format. 你吃苹果吗? Plus WH words. And the magic. Possessions plus descriptions. Now, here's your 7-day sentence challenge. So, day 1 and day 2, make 3 SVO sentences daily with HSK1 words. And day 3 and day 4, turn them into questions with ma and WH words. Day 5, day 6, add descriptions with adjectives. Day 7, combine all 3 formulas and write a short conversation. The secret sauce? Check your sentence in a journal. Write them down, say them out loud, record yourself. I guarantee by day 7, you will be shocked at your progress. And here's something to think about. Progress always feels faster when you are not the only one doing it. When you have a community to share a sentence with, you notice mistakes sooner, and the confidence grows much quicker. Learning grammar is so much easier when you are not doing it alone. That's why I put together a Chinese learning community, where learners share sentences, get feedback, and stay motivated together. You can also grab my free Mandarin Sentences Starter Kit in the description. It's packed with examples and 7-day practice guide you can start today. If you have been looking for a place to practice and stay consistent, this is the perfect next step. Link is in the below. I'd love to see you there. And before you go, let's comment this learning. In the comment below, write 1 sentence using today's formulas. I will personally correct every single one and give you the feedback. Try something like 我很喜欢学中文. I really like learn Chinese. Or ask a question. 你喜欢吃什么? What do you like to eat? If this grammar breakdown helps you, smash the like button. It helps other confused beginners to find this video. Want more free Chinese content? Check out this video where I teach 25 essential Mandarin phrases you can use immediately. It's right here. Subscribe for weekly Chinese grammar tips that actually make sense. And I will see you in the next lesson. 加油, keep going.